1, 2, 3, 4. It was Fiddle and Levi, Trainwreck Ricky, Danny, Terry, and me, picking and singing and looking back under the live oak tree. Cowboys were there and bikers too, and tourists that look a lot like you. Ain't no trouble, hell, we all get along. Now let's play another song. I said, take me back to looking back, that's where I wanna be, with old Fiddle and Levi, Trainwreck Ricky, Danny, Terry, and me. Take me back to looking back, that's where I wanna be, with old Fiddle and Levi, Trainwreck Ricky, Danny, Terry, and me. Old Virgil's there, flirting with the girls, dancing in the old dance hall. Pretty Abby's there, she's the boss of the place, and she's the belle of the ball. Old Jimmy Lee Jones is telling a joke. In a minute, he'll play a song he wrote. I'm gonna step out back and take another toke, then I'll play another song. I said, take me back to looking back, that's where I wanna be, with old Fiddle and Levi, Trainwreck Ricky, Danny, Terry, and me. Ah, take me back to looking back, that's where I wanna be, with old Fiddle and Levi, Trainwreck Ricky, Danny, Terry, and me. Try your luck. To my maker I go to see. When I get there and the door is locked, and it'll probably happen, well, I'm going back to looking back. Take me back to looking back, that's where I wanna be, with old Fiddle and Levi, Trainwreck Ricky, Danny, Terry, and me. Take me back to looking back, that's where I wanna be. Dramatic chord. Cost me $5. With old Fiddle and Levi, Trainwreck Ricky, Danny, Terry, and me. Danny's crazy as